Let's study second part of first experiment is half duplex communication link. Now half duplex communication means communication can take place in either direction between two systems, but only one at a time. For example, here terminal A and B is given. Now the terminal A can send the data to terminal B. So this arrow indicates the data transmission from A to B. In this case, terminal A acts as a transmitter and B acts as a receiver. Now another communication is also possible. It means this arrow indicates that terminal B can act as a transmitter while A acts as a receiver. So here the terminal A and B both are worked as transmitter as well as receiver, but one at a time. Simultaneous communication is not possible in case of half duplex communication. Now this diagram shows the experimental setup for half duplex communication. In this setup, this is 5V power supply. Switch is given. Now this switch is called as a SPDT. SPDT means single pole double throw. Now when this throw is connected to second LED gets on, or when this switch throw to first LED gets on. Now again, this is a resistor. Now this resistor is called as a limiting resistor, which avoids to flow excessive current through a circuit. Now this is an observation table for half duplex communication. Here the status of switch 3 we have to write. So S3, it is a SPDT, matlab single pole double throw. So when the first throw occurs, LED 3 gets on. At the same time LED 4 gets off. And for second throw, LED 3 gets off and 4 gets on. So इस प्रैक्टिकल करके देखते हैं हम लोग. Now this is our power supply. We set this power supply as 5V. Now again the power supply has two terminal, red and black. Red is called as a positive terminal, black is called as a ground. So this is our ground. So this ground terminal is connected here. Similarly, resistors are connected. The second terminal of both resistors are connected to ground. This is the first resistor, this is our second resistor. Okay. Now positive terminal of power supply is connected here. Now this switch is called as a SPDT. SPDT means single pole double throw. Now the single pole, why it is called as a single pole? This middle terminal is commonly connected to power supply and hence it is called as a single pole. Now the double throw means this switch has two terminals, means double. One terminal is connected to LED and another one is connected to second LED. Okay, so two connections are possible, so that it is called as a double throw. Now this switch can be switch on and off. Okay, now यहाँ पे हम power supply start करते हैं. Now for first throw, ये first throw है. Now in first throw, LED 3, switch 3, status of switch 3 is first throw. ये first throw किया. So LED 3 is on. So ये switch मैंने on active किया तो LED 3 gets on, LED 4 gets off here. Okay. Now for second throw means I change the throw of, or I change the status of switch. Now in second throw, LED 3 gets off and LED 4 gets on. So this is called as a two-way communication. Input supply is common, but two ways are possible. One goes to LED 3, another one goes to LED 4. So this is called as a half duplex communication. Thank you.